State witness, there is no other direct evidence available for proper prosecution. So, it is not applicable to the Discayas. At saka na, hindi rin pwede sapagkat ang pananaw ng karamihan, ang pananaw ng taong bayan, sila most guilty. Ang pwede sa witness protection program, yun, not the most guilty. Ayun ang sinasabi ng batas.
Iba po ang witness protection program, Section 3, admission in the program. Iba po yung Section 10, state witness. Iba po yung Section 17, discharge of a state witness. Yung pong sinasabing he does not appear to be the most guilty, yan po ay tatanggapin natin pag state witness na, wala po tayo doon. Nandun pa lang tayo sa Section 3 protection. So let me make that clear. Kasi po, ang nasabi ng Senate President, paano yun yung perception ng tao, most guilty sila? First of all, I don't agree. Kaya nga nagrarally, alam ng tao may mastermind sa likod nila. Di ba? Napakagaling naman ng Diskaya na pati BICAM, pati budget, pati everything. Sila ba nagpapatakbo ng gobyernong Pilipinas? Di ba? They probably could be one of the most guilty na may kasama sila. Pero it is very much possible na may mastermind behind them. At hindi lang po sila ang may ghost. So kung sila ang mastermind, then ibig sabihin, for example, Wow, Sims, etc. Ibig sabihin nun, kasama din sila. Pero kung ginagawa din ng Sims yun, ginagawa din ng Wawaw, maaring individual racket yun, maaring meron pong mastermind. Maaring nasa DPWH yung mastermind. Maaring nandito sa Senado, maaring nasa Kongreso. Maaring napakataas ng posisyon. Hindi ko po alam. But assuming for the sake of argument, perception ng tao. Ang perception po is not reality. Trabaho natin to find reality para mabago yung perception.